Hey guys, so I want to tell you guys something. This is probably going to be the only video other than my live stream that I put my voice in the background. But I want to say that um I got locked out of my account for a week. I don't know how, but it said I was using bad language, but it's only in my over here where I use bad language. I never use it on the game. So I don't know what happened with that. But my new account is called Miss Underestimated. And come and add me. There's no capitals, sorry. Miss Underestimated. Come and add me and give me gifts so I can do a mail time. And yeah, as you can see, I'm only level 4. Come and add me. I've only got 12 friends. And auto me, gift me, do whatever you can, greet me. I just want to get as highest level as I can, so then I actually have a reason to buy a VIP. I can't buy a VIP. I'm getting it for Christmas, which is in 2 days. So if you guys get me a bit higher, then my mom said that she will get me VIP. And but it is with my money. She said that, well, not that she's gonna get me it, but she's gonna let me get it off her card because I don't know what happened to my card. I lost it. I put it somewhere, and now I forgot where I put in it. But um, yeah, she said that if I can get this account to be something, then I can get VIP for a year. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get it after Christmas though, just so that I get the new pack because on my normal account, I'll show you my normal account now. It's a newer account than my old accounts, just because I wanted to switch up, and I got a year VIP on that a couple days ago. I'll show you it. It means dumbass, the name in Spanish, but this was the account, and uh, I got locked out of it. So yeah, why don't so if you can go ahead and add me up, then I would be really grateful. So yeah. So also I want you guys to comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's really it. So yeah, don't forget to add me, greet me, gift me, do whatever you can, auto me to just get me a higher level. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little video, and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see next time. So yeah, bye, subscribe.